Hello everyone, this side I use from Invent Model, and now I'm going to cover the remaining topics which we covered on the yesterday session. Today's agenda is to cover how to integrate pages with Customer 360 and what is the difference we observe from development perspective between Informatica on-premises and Cloud SaaS. So the first topic is how to integrate pages with Customer 360. So for integrating customer 360 with different pages, we have to follow the following steps. So first of all, we have to go to Business 360 console in Informatica MDM SaaS, and there we have to go to Explore section, and then we have to click on Projects, and there we have to select the Customer 360. Then step second, in Customer 360, after selecting Customer 360, we have to select business entity for Customer 360. Then after that, when we select business entity for Customer 360, we will get to by default entity, uh, business entity. One is person and the second one is organization. Uh, but if we want to integrate our own entity that we have created in Business 360, so we have to add that entity. Like here, we can see entity underscore employee underscore test. So we integrated that entity and then we can select the field for this entity, which is on the right side. So we can also select the field for that entity. And then after selecting the business entity, now the next steps to integrate the pages. So for that, we have to go to the pages section and uh, by default, we will get uh, out of the box create and view and edit a page by customer 360. But we have to add our custom page that we have created. So for that, we have to click on the plus sign. So using this, we can add the custom create and view and edit page in Customer 360 console. And then we can also assign role to, we can also assign these pages to a particular user or a particular role. So like if we assign these pages to admin, so he will be able to do all, he will be able to see all the pages like create, view and edit, and the search. So he can do all the operations. And if we want that developer can have only view and edit page access. So we can also assign that access to that role. So now the next point is what is the difference between we observe from development perspective between Informatica on-premises and Cloud SaaS. So Informatica on-premises like Power Center, it offers greater control and customization and security, making it ideal for enterprises with strict compliance needs. So in Informatica on-premises, like we know that we have full uh, control on the hardware and software part, and we can do manage the software and we can manage the database as well. So it is more controllable Informatica on-premises. And what are the features that we have in Cloud SaaS? It provides flexibility, scalability, and ease of deployment. So with lower infrastructure costs. So here we do not need to worry about the infrastructure. We don't have to set up the hardware and software, and we don't have to manage database here in cloud part. So we can enable, we can simply fast our implementation of our project, and we have many more flexibility in the SaaS part as well. So here is a more detailed breakdown of the differences. So control and customization. So in Informatica on-premises, we have full control over the infrastructure because it is developed and built on our own organization. So we can control all the software and can customize as per our requirement. So if any issue we are facing in our organization, so we can ping to the Informatica MDM and they can fix it. But if we do this, if we are facing any issue in cloud part, so it will take more time. because they will have to fix this issue for all the when for all their suppliers, no, for all their customers. But in the on-premises part, they provide separate license for different organization. So here we have more control on that, and we have also better security here, more control over security configuration and data management, because everything is on our own organization. So infrastructure management. So we will be responsible for managing the hardware, software, and infrastructure here, and upgrades. Upgrades require more planning and effort and cost. So because here we have to install everything in our own organization, we have to set up the hardware, software, and database. So it will cost us more in the on-premises part. But in Informatica Cloud SaaS, we have more features. It provides more flexibility, like it includes different multiple services like Business 360, Customer 360, Product 360, and Supplier 360. So we can achieve so many things from one simple cloud product. And deployment is also easy. Deployment and upgrades are typically faster and easier. Reduce infrastructure management. Here we do not need to worry about infrastructure because we do not have to install anything our own organization. We just have to buy the license, and the vendor will provide the uh, license and the software, and through that we can access that. Uh, we can do the customization, and we can have more features. So, customization, while customization is possible, but here it is more limited, because if we want to do any customization, we will have to uh, we will have to take in consider the cloud Informatica MDM Cloud SaaS part. Okay, and cost, it is less costly because we do not have to set up everything in our own organization. Security is handled by the vendor, but here the security will not, we cannot handle the security because this software is provided by the Informatica and Cloud SaaS vendor, so we cannot handle the security here. So thank you. That's all from my side.